Hello everyone, I'm in the beautiful city of Miami. I came here to meet a client last night, and by complete random chance I came across this advertisement. It's a bad example of marketing, so I just wanted to stop and make a quick video to share this example with you. Let's take a look at it. What does it say? It says, when price matters, when time matters, when service is everything. Why is that a bad example of marketing? Pause this video and have a think. The answer is he's using hype. It's a classic mistake a lot of marketers make. It's exaggeration and it's just not believable. And that's why it's bad marketing. Now here is a good example of marketing. This advertisement by Jameson. Let's have a look at what it says. It says, distilled 3 times for smooth sipping. Why? Taste, that's why. Why is that good marketing? Pause this video and have a think. The answer is, Jameson is being very specific here. When they say distilled 3 times for smooth sipping, they're sharing something very specific about their production. And that creates believability. So there are 2 key takeaways from today's video. The first is, if you are not believable, it's just not good marketing. And the second is, to create believability, be specific, just like Jameson has here.